Students, today I will explain you second chapter of SST is globes and maps. Before we start the lesson, kindly go through the pages of your textbook which is on the screen. In this topic, we will basically study about the globes and maps, the continents and the oceans, the directions in a map. So start the lesson. The earth is so big that we cannot see the whole of it at once. The earth means the planet on which we live, is so large so that we cannot see the entire earth at once. We can see only a part of it. तो हम इसका थोड़ा सा हिस्सा ही देख सकते हैं. Then how can we study the earth? तो हम स्टडी कैसे करेंगे अर्थ के बारे में? We have a smaller model of the earth to study it. तो क्या हमारे पास एक स्मॉल मॉडल होता है अर्थ का जिस मॉडल इज कॉल्ड अ ग्लोब, जिसको हम ग्लोब कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? ग्लोब कहते हैं. सी द पिक्चर ऑफ ग्लोब हियर. अ ग्लोब, इट इज इन अ राउंड शेप. सो ग्लोब, लेट वी डिस्कस द ग्लोब. अ ग्लोब इज राउंड लाइक द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. जो ग्लोब है उसकी शेप कैसी है? राउंड है, जैसे कि हमारी अर्थ की शेप है. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द करेक्ट पिक्चर ऑफ द अर्थ. तो ये हमें किस चीज को डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहा है, रेफर कर रहा है? करेक्ट पिक्चर अर्थ प्लेनेट की. द ग्लोब हैज अ रोड दैट पासिस थ्रू इट्स सेंटर. तो ग्लोब में एक रोड होती है. सी हियर, नियर बॉटम, टॉप, इट्स अ रोड दैट पासिस थ्रू इट्स सेंटर. तो इसके सेंटर से ये पास हो रही है. दिस रोड रिप्रेजेंट्स द एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ. तो ये जो रोड है वो क्या हमें शो कर रही है? एक्सिस, अर्थ का एक्सिस शो कर रही है. द टू एंड्स ऑफ द रोड रिप्रेजेंट्स टू पोल्स ऑफ द अर्थ. ये दो पोल्स हैं हमारे, फर्स्ट पोल, सेकंड पोल. हाउएवर, ऑन अ ग्लोब वी कैनॉट सी ऑल द प्लेसेस एट वंस. तो ग्लोब पे हम सभी प्लेसेस एक साथ नहीं देख सकते. वी कैन सी ओनली हाफ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन द ग्लोब. तो हाफ पार्ट तो हमारे फ्रंट में है, हाफ कहाँ है? इसके बैक साइड पे, जो हमें नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. टू सी द अदर हाफ वी हैव टू रोटेट इट. तो अगर हमने दूसरा पार्ट इसका देखना है तो हमको इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? रोटेट करना पड़ेगा. Look at the globe here carefully. See, globe, you will find some blue areas on it. Here blue area, blue area, blue areas. These are the water bodies of the earth. So water bodies means lakes, seas, oceans, rivers, etc. You will also see some areas in other colors. Here we can see yellow, green, brown. These are the landforms. Landforms means plateau, plains, mountains, hills, etc. Second subtopic of this chapter is map. Map is a drawing of the earth or its part on a flat surface. Though the globe is very useful, it has certain limitations. We already read it in first subtopic. Globe is very beneficial for us. Along this, it has so many demerits. Demerits means harming. Causes. It is difficult to show small places on a globe. To show small places in detail, we would need a big globe. It is very hard for someone to show small areas on a globe to anyone. So that's why to represent small scale locations in specific features, we have to require a big globe. A big globe would again be difficult to carry. These problems can be solved if we use maps. So it is very problematic for us to convey or carry a large model of globe. These issues can be solved with the help of map. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps are much easier to make. It is very uncomplicated to construct a map. It is very easy and comfortable to carry a map with our luggage. A small piece of paper can be used to make a map. तो बहुत ही छोटे से पेपर का हम मैप बना सकते हैं. We can roll it, we can fold it and carry it wherever we want. We can hang it on the wall and look at it. We can easily fold it, roll it and attach it to a hook on a wall. When maps are collected together in a book, we call it an atlas. Maps can be of the whole earth, a country or even a small place. Atlas is a book in which we gather a number of maps. They are different and based on a word, nation, state or even a small area. We may even draw a map of our neighborhood to help someone reach our house. If we want to draw a map of our neighborhood means the area surrounding a particular place. With the help of someone, it is possible for us. Look at the map of the world showing oceans and continents. Here, word map, picture of word map, oceans, Arctic Oceans, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Oceans, North Antarctic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and there are continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. The next one is oceans and continents. A very large body of water is called an ocean. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest one and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Which is the largest one? The Pacific Ocean. And which is the smallest one? The Arctic Ocean. The Indian Ocean is named after our country India. जो Indian Ocean है उसका नाम हमारी कंट्री के कारण रखा गया है इंडिया, इंडियन. The ocean floors are not flat or plain. जो ओशंस के किनारे हैं वो फ्लैट और प्लेन नहीं है. There are long mountain ranges and trenches on the ocean floor. Long mountain ranges and trenches. Trenches means a long narrow channel dug at the side of a road or field to hold or carry away water. Large areas of land are called continents. जो लैंड के, जमीन के ज़्यादा बड़े हिस्से हैं उनको हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स बोलते हैं. देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. दे आर एशिया, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, यूरोप, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अंटार्कटिका. एशिया इज द बिगेस्ट एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑन अर्थ. विच इज द बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट? एशिया, एंड स्मॉलेस्ट वन इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Our country India lies in Asia. तो जो हमारी कंट्री इंडिया है वो किस कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर आती है? एशिया. Then last one sub topic of this chapter is direction in a map. The top of a map hanging on the wall always indicate the north. The top of a map always show what? Indicate north direction. Here you can see north direction and the bottom of the map shows the south. Bottom of the map indicate the direction south. The right side indicate east and left side shows west. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, west. Thus, the 4 directions help us to locate places on a map. They are very useful for us because due to these directions, it is very easy to find any location on a map. In all maps, the directions are always shown in the same way. हर एक मैप में जो directions हैं वो same way में हमें indicate show करती हैं. जैसे कि टॉप पे नॉर्थ, बॉटम पे साउथ, राइट पे ईस्ट, लेफ्ट पे वेस्ट. लुक एट द मैप ऑफ इंडिया. हियर वी कैन सी मैप ऑफ इंडिया. लोकेट इन विच डायरेक्शन योर स्टेट इज. So students, Our state is Punjab. Here it is Punjab, and it lies in the northwest, because here north and here west, it is here northwest. Okay, so students, hope so you will understand second chapter of your SST. Now we will discuss book exercise of this chapter. So as we all know that we did book exercise of this chapter as a second written assignment. So let me discuss. The first one is tick the correct answer. Which one is a small model of the earth? Chart, map, globe. So here we find the answer. Page number 12. We have a smaller model of the earth to study it. This model is called a globe. So here we tick the C option, globe. Second one is on maps or globes, water bodies are shown in dash color, red, blue or green. Again, page number 12. Look at the globe here carefully. You will find some blue areas on it. These are the water bodies of the earth. So, option B is correct, blue. Here we write the answer blue. The third one is a book of maps is called a or an dash. First one, atlas, novel, magazine. Here we find the answer. When maps are collected together in a book, we call it an atlas. Page number 13, third paragraph, first line. When maps are collected together in a book, we call it an atlas. Option 1 is correct, atlas. Now fourth one is, how many oceans are there on the earth? A option 4, B 5, C 7. Here the right answer is, there are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Page number 14. Here we write the answer 5. And the fifth one is, how many continents are there on the earth? Option A 4, B 5, C 7. So here again page number 14. There are 7 continents. Option C is correct one. Here we write the answer option C. Next question is, name the following. The biggest ocean. Page number 14. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. Largest means biggest. So here we write the answer Pacific Ocean. Next one is the smallest ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Here we write the answer Arctic Ocean. The third one is the biggest continent. The biggest continent, Asia is the biggest and Australia is the smallest continent. Biggest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Okay, so we completed chapter number 2. Hope so students will understand chapter number 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.